The couple's relationship has been significantly impacted by ongoing disputes and deep-seated trust issues. Miss Strickland is particularly hopeful that affirmative paternity results will provide a resolution, as these results are vital for the stability of their marriage. In response to the prevailing tensions, Mr. Strickland articulates the stress he experiences, which originates from trust concerns and previous betrayals. This complexity amplifies his emotional struggles with Miss Strickland, thereby intensifying the pressures they face as they navigate the challenges of parenthood. Their relationship has evolved from a long-standing friendship into a marriage that initially brimmed with promise. However, this optimism has since been overshadowed by difficulties, including jealousy and miscommunication during the pregnancy, creating further complications in their current parental dynamics. Mr. Strickland expresses palpable frustration regarding his daughter's last name, which he feels is inextricably linked to his ex-wife. This situation underscores the legal implications associated with their unmarried status at the time of birth, ultimately affecting their family structure. Miss Strickland reveals her ongoing struggles with trust within the marriage, rooted in her own past infidelity and lingering uncertainties. Her profound desire to restore stability to the family unit stands as a significant emotional factor in this turbulent scenario. New evidence emerges, highlighting the mother's previous unfaithfulness through the discovery of text messages and provocative images sent to another man. This revelation serves to amplify the emotional chaos currently enveloping the relationship, raising critical questions about fidelity. In a candid admission, Mr. Strickland voices his doubts about being Nancy's biological father, stemming from his wife's interactions with an ex-boyfriend. This suspicion starkly illustrates the pervasive trust issues that plague their marriage. Concurrently, Miss Strickland fervently defends her integrity, asserting that she has never been unfaithful. Her insistence on remaining committed to their marriage serves as a counterpoint to the doubts expressed by Mr. Strickland. The narrative shifts to Mr. Golden, who finds himself contesting paternity amid accusations of infidelity. This case further exemplifies the intricate complications that arise in relationships characterized by distrust and emotional discord. Jasmine's admission of having been intimate with Mr. Golden while simultaneously involved with another boyfriend introduces additional complexities to the situation. This scenario prompts critical reflections on the themes of honesty and commitment within their interactions. As the tension escalates, Mr. Golden outright denies the existence of Jasmine's boyfriend, suggesting that she is fabricating her narrative to evade responsibility. This skepticism only exacerbates the existing strain between the involved parties. The child's mother firmly believes that Mr. Golden is indeed the biological father, arguing that Jasmine's disdain for him is rooted in past betrayals. This assertion further highlights the emotional turmoil that permeates their relationship. The ongoing conversation poignantly illustrates the myriad challenges involved in establishing paternity, with divergent testimonies adversely affecting the emotional states of all parties. Trust and intimacy emerge as pivotal issues that complicate their respective claims. Additionally, the destruction of personal property during their arguments vividly highlights the emotional turmoil and retaliatory behaviors that can manifest in relationships. Such destructive actions carry the potential for legal repercussions and further complicate an already fraught situation. From the judge's perspective, there is a clear emphasis on the necessity of managing conflicts without resorting to harmful actions. This viewpoint advocates for success as a preferable method of revenge, aiming to foster healthier avenues for conflict resolution. Miss Campbell asserts that the child is not Mr. Downing's biological daughter, which complicates the ongoing paternity dispute. The emotional stakes are remarkably high for all parties involved, illuminating the underlying familial tensions that influence their decisions. Mr. Downing raises concerns regarding financial strain stemming from the paternity issue, indicating his intent to contest child support obligations. This situation prompts essential inquiries regarding the responsibilities of presumed fathers under such circumstances. The conversation further reveals significant lapses in commitment within Mr. Downing and Miss Jones' relationship, leading to a series of misunderstandings. Their inconsistent recollections of intimate moments serve to intensify the case's complexity. A considerable number of men remain unaware of the repercussions associated with failing to contest paternity within designated timeframes, which can culminate in substantial child support arrears. This reality underscores the critical need for awareness regarding legal rights and obligations. The emotional intricacies of fatherhood are poignantly highlighted when a legal father experiences a sense of disconnection from a child whom he believes is not biologically his. Such a scenario complicates fundamental questions surrounding identity and parental roles. The bond between a child and a non-biological father can, indeed, be powerful, thereby complicating the legal and emotional landscape surrounding paternity. This reality emphasizes the myriad challenges inherent in defining parental relationships beyond mere biology. Brittany finds herself caught in the emotional crossfire resulting from her mother's conviction that Mr. Downey, not Mr. Jackson, is her true biological father. This revelation prompts profound questions regarding her personal identity. The significance of communication and transparency within familial relationships comes to the forefront, particularly concerning allegations that Brittany's mother misled her about her true parentage. This situation ultimately impacts trust within their family. Lastly, the relationship dynamics between Brittany and Mr. Jackson are further complicated by the uncertainty surrounding her paternity. This uncertainty is starkly illustrated by recent DNA test results, which confirm a lack of biological connection.